So good morning all. So yesterday we started that input devices. So yesterday we cover some input devices. So today, so next input device is concept keyboard. So yesterday we studied normal keyboard. What do you mean by concept keyboard? So concept keyboard means it have a specific dedicated function. For example, in a restaurant there is a key for different food items that might be bought. So like that only. So here look at that. In the right side, so there is some example of a concept keyboard is there. So it is for uh, drink items, fried items, then any burgers, then any like a shake. So like that, so you can select any one of the options from there. So this is called concept keyboard. This is also an input devices. We can order like this. This is not only in restaurant, in all the shop it is available. So it is designed for a dedicated function, not for that normal keyboard. So that is called a concept keyboard. So look at that. This is an example for concept keyboard for working inside a restaurant only. So this is also input devices. So next one, touch screen. So nowadays we are using the touch mobiles only. So touch screen is what is how they are working means if you are touch on that screen. So in the behind that screen there is a panel is there panel. So if you are touch screen, that area light become broken. So this is electronics only. So you no need to study internally, but the concept is that if you touch that light is broke, then that corresponding item is selected. So a touch screen can dictate where the screen surface are touching. So touch screens are used in mobile devices such as phone and tablets, where you would not have a space for a traditional keyboard. So normally we are using keyboard and mouse to input. So in some situation we are not using that, so that time we are using touch screen. So the better example is our mobile phone only. It is also act as an input device. So next one is called barcode reader. Barcode reader is nothing but you can see that there is a black and white line. So in your even in your pen is also it is available. So like that, look at that, there is one device is here. So from device one laser beam is passed to that sticker. So that sticker is attached to every a pen or anything, any product, every product. So while passing that light, it can read the information about that product like price, quantity, like that. So this is a use of barcode reader. So barcode reader is used to read the barcode which can be found on product in the shop. So I will show one example like that. Look at that. Look at that. This is one pen is there. So look at that. In this pen, one barcode is there. So if you have that barcode reader, so you can read the content of this pen. So listen like that only. So this is called a barcode. So in this barcode, there are black and white lines are there. So each line represent the data. So while reading this barcode using a barcode reader, you can see the price and other details about this product. This is the use of barcode reader. Next one is called a magnetic strip reader. So like that. So nowadays we are using credit card and a debit card, and in our ATM card also, like a debit card only. So here magnetic strip we can found on the back side of credit card, security card, and hotel rooms gain access and rooms, etc. So all the data is attached with that card only. One strip is there, one magnetic strip is there. So we can use one type machine like a magnetic strip reader. There is one machine like this. So you just swipe that card here, then from that magnetic strip all the data can be read. So that strip containing all the personal information, that account number, etc., bank name, like that only. So this is a use of magnetic strip reader. It is also an example for an input device. So some other input devices are OMR, OCR, MICR and light pen. OMR means nothing but optical mark reader. So OMR sheet, so if you are go to a competitive exam, so you give some type of paper, so you answer only, you need to bubble with a pen. So it can be read by using OMR. That sheet is called OMR sheet. So look at that here, definition is here. That can be read the mark at a designated position of such as OMR sheet. You can use the answer of the question of multiple choice exam paper. So nowadays all the competitive exam in the form of OMR sheet only. So that OMR sheet we can read by using optical mark reader. Then next one is called optical character reader. So that can be printed document, that can be scan a printed document and convert it to a editable text. So OCR is another device. It is used to scan the printed document and convert it to editable text. If you want to scan any, like almost the same as scanner. Next one is called MICR, magnetic ink character reader. It can be read by magnetized ink. So special type of ink is there, magnetized ink. Then like that you can see that if you see that bank check, in bank check there is one ink is there, magnetic ink. So that characters is coated by a magnetic ink. So such a type of character we can read only by MICR, magnetic ink character reader. So last one is called light pen. So light pen is nothing but an input device only, like a pen only. So if you are draw anything on the computer, and you can, it is also used as a mouse also. So you can select something from that screen by using this light pen. So then we are using light pen and light pad is there. If you draw anything on that light pad by using this light pen, it is automatically available on your screen. So this is a use of light pen. So OMR, OCR, MICR and light pens are also input devices. So we study magnetic strip reader, barcode reader, touch screens, concept keyboard. The previous day we studied about keyboard, mouse, then microphone, scanners, different type of scanners. So these are the examples for input devices. So make the note and send.